Nowadays, companies have quite a few options when deciding to go solar. And the most well-known method is on-site solar, which involves installing solar panels directly onto a roof, land, or property. But what if your company has a nationwide presence? Can you install solar in every location? Today, we will cover the best solar options for multi-site businesses and explore how Pivot provides a strategic roadmap tailored to your organization's unique challenges. Hi, I'm Josh with Pivot Energy. And when it comes to sustainable energy, developing a multi-state solar solution is often top of mind for business leaders. And while the concept is appealing, the practicalities involved demand careful consideration. And while the ambition to develop a renewable energy solution across diverse locations is commendable, it can sometimes pose a few challenges. It's important to acknowledge that not every business possesses the infrastructure and resources necessary to implement solar installations effectively across sites. Traditional on-site solar, while a viable option for some, may not be universally suitable for enterprises with an extensive network of locations. Considerations such as roof suitability, available space, and optimal sunlight across each location pose most of the hurdles, and the variability in site conditions and regulatory landscapes across states can also create roadblocks. Check this video for more on U.S. solar policy and its effect on companies and their communities. And while it's important to understand the advantages of on-site solar, particularly the tax incentive potential, a one-size-fits-all approach may not be feasible for a diverse range of locations. And when it comes to navigating the specific workings of a multi-site decarbonization strategy, know that you're not alone. Pivot Energy is a trusted partner in navigating these complexities. Our expertise lies in crafting tailored strategies that go beyond the limitations of traditional on-site solar. And by leveraging our comprehensive understanding of the renewable energy landscape and regulatory frameworks, we empower our clients to explore the many innovative approaches of solar deployment. In addition to on-site solutions, companies with multi-site operations may also explore the various off-site solutions available. Off-site solutions are for companies and organizations looking to make a serious impact on their carbon goals quickly, or they have a complex portfolio across multiple markets. Off-site projects are typically larger than on-site solar applications and can help you hedge energy costs or meet greater sustainability goals nationwide. Next, we'll detail the various off-site solutions available to your businesses. Similar to power purchase agreements, PPAs, virtual power purchase agreements, VPPAs, present compelling opportunities to leverage renewable energy across diverse locations. A traditional power purchase agreement entails a contractual arrangement wherein a company agrees to purchase electricity directly from a renewable energy provider. This approach offers the benefits of on-site solar without the need for upfront capital investment in infrastructure. However, it is essential to note that PPAs have distinct differences to on-site installations, and the two should not be confused. Virtual power purchase agreements go one step further by enabling companies to procure renewable energy from off-site sources. You can learn more about PPAs and VPPAs here. And through VPPAs, businesses can support renewable energy projects located elsewhere, while still reaping both the financial and environmental benefits. The innovative approach allows multi-site companies to advance their sustainability goals on a broader scale, pushing beyond the limits of traditional on-site solutions. In this video, we go into the VPPA impact and benefits for business. Solar Renewable Energy Certificates, or SRECs, also play a pivotal role in incentivizing solar energy generation and facilitating its integration into the grid. SRECs represent the environmental attributes of 1 megawatt-hour of electricity generated from solar energy sources. And for multi-site companies seeking to bolster their sustainability initiatives, SRECs offer a valuable mechanism to support renewable energy adoption across diverse locations. And by purchasing SRECs, companies can effectively address their carbon emissions and demonstrate a tangible commitment to environmental considerations. SRECs provide a means to meet renewable energy targets and regulatory compliance obligations, enhancing the company's reputation and fostering stakeholder trust. Notably, nationwide companies like Rivian, and Tapestry have embraced SRECs as a key component of their renewable energy strategies. And by leveraging SRECs, these industry leaders have effectively harnessed the benefit of solar energy while navigating the complexities of multi-site operations. Through strategic SREC procurement, companies can reinforce their position as sustainability pioneers, setting a precedent for others to follow. You can learn how Tapestry adopted this solar solution and reaped the solar benefits in this video here. Virtual net metering, or VNEM, enables businesses to offset their electricity consumption by remotely allocating solar energy credits from off-site solar installations to their various facilities. And for multi-site companies, VNEM offers a streamlined approach to solar energy adoption, facilitating centralized management of renewable energy resources while optimizing cost savings. And by participating in VNEM programs, businesses can reap the benefits of solar energy without the need for on-site installations at each location. Instead, they tap into solar energy generated from remote sites, thereby diversifying their energy portfolio and reducing dependence on traditional grid sources. Virtual net metering for businesses is explained in this video. Community solar subscriptions present another compelling multi-site solar energy solution without the need for on-site installations or infrastructure. Through community solar programs, businesses can subscribe to a portion of the energy produced by solar projects within their region or utility service area. And for multi-site companies, community solar subscriptions offer several advantages. First, subscribing to community solar allows businesses to access renewable energy without the logistical challenges associated with on-site installations, such as site assessments and permitting and maintenance. Second, this streamlined approach enables companies to focus on their core operations while helping support and financially benefit from solar energy. And lastly, community solar subscriptions often offer competitive pricing and long-term contracts, providing stability and predictability in energy costs. From traditional on-site installations to innovative off-site arrangements like virtual power purchase agreements, virtual net metering, community solar subscriptions, and solar renewable energy certificates, there is a spectrum of options to suit the diverse needs of multi-site companies. At Pivot, we understand unique challenges and opportunities facing businesses with dynamic real estate portfolios. And as a trusted solar provider, we specialize in crafting tailored solutions that enable companies to maximize the benefits of solar energy across their entire footprint. From identifying the low-hanging fruits from on or off-site solar to scaling usage, aligning with decarbonization goals, we allow our clients to make informed decisions and drive meaningful impact. If you're interested in learning more about how Pivot can help your business harness the power of solar energy, we invite you to visit the link in the description or reach out to our team directly via email. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.